Hello, Namaskar and welcome again in my videos. Today I tell you about reverse trading system. First of all, you remember my year high, year low theory. As this year high, year low theory, if a stock year high, year low ratio is below 2, then I like to buy this type of stock, and if year high, year low ratio is above 2, then I unlike to buy this type of stock. So now I explain you practically. At 29 November 2015, I recommended Tribhuvan Das Bhimji Javeri stock, TBZ stock, full name Tribhuvan Das Bhimji Javeri stock, at the rate of 104. When I recommended this TBZ stock on my blog, then year high of TBZ is 187.80 and year low of TBZ was 102.10. So year high oblique year low ratio is 1.83 when I recommended this TBZ stock on my blog at 29 November 2015. Then year high oblique year low ratio is below 2. So I recommended you this stock. Suppose anyone invest his 5000 rupees at the rate of 104 and buy 48 shares of TBZ and buy 48 shares of TBZ with investment of 5000 Indian rupees. Now he was year high 187.80, or if this year high half of this year high 93.90 using as their stop loss, you using this 93.90 as your stop loss to protect your money. At 8 December 2015, this stock of Tribhuvan Das Bhimji Javeri is cross 93.90 and closed at 92.10. So you sell your 48 stock at 92.10 and gain your 4420 rupees again. You invest your 5000, and as this reverse trading system you get again your 4420 rupees. So your loss is only 580 rupees. Now current market price of Tribhuvan Das Bhimji Javeri is 70 rupees only. So if you buy these stock again at current market price, so you need to invest only 3360 rupees. But I do not recommend this stock at current market price because still year high of Tribhuvan Das Bhimji Javeri is 187.80 and year low of Tribhuvan Das Bhimji Javeri is 65.90. So this ratio is now 2.84 and this ratio is still above 2. So we wait and watch this Tribhuvan Das Bhimji Javeri stock, and when this ratio is stable below 2, then we buy these 48 share stocks again. So it reduce our holding cost and protect overall our investment. So in 90% of such type of cases, I found this theory is successful. You read chapter 10 of my book, more detail for this theory. Namaskar.